Chris here and welcome back to my channel. And today is going to be another exciting day because we are going to Boracay. So I will be traveling with my mother, Naniko, and this trip was supposed to be last July on her birthday. Pero as you all know, 'di ba sobrang maulan nung July, and that's why our flight was canceled at that time, pero we were given the option to rebook it, so I was able to rebook it for this month, September, without any fees. So I'm so excited for that. Come join us, me and my mom, with our Boracay trip, and I hope though na hindi umulan today because um, there were news about new typhoon landing here in the Philippines. I think yung bagyong Nando. But yeah, I hope na maging safe naman yung flight namin, and I hope that all of you are all safe as well. So, yeah guys. So here's my outfit, guys. Very simple. So let's go. Ta-da! Si Mother. Hi, Mother. Hi. Are you excited sa ating Boracay? So, that's our maleta, guys. So, ayan. Okay naman na ang aming bahay.
Hi!
Hello guys! So we are finally at our hotel now, and it's a bit of a stressful travel kasi maulan. But yes, here's Mother Nang. Hi! Stressful, sobrang maulan. Tapos ang alon pa nung dagat kanina nung nag-transfer kami from Jetty Airport papunta dito sa Boracay Island. Tapos yun, nabasa-basa pa kami, but I'm grateful that we are safe and that we are here now. Anyway, pakita ko yung labas. So this is outside.
Picture mo na yung harapan tapos.
So it's currently past 3 PM already, so medyo super late na and hindi pa kami nagla-lunch, so kakain muna kami, and then siguro hindi kami makakapunta now sa dagat, sa tomorrow na lang. And I'm not sure yet if magsaswimming ako sa swimming pool, but for now we're hungry and we are going for late lunch. Gusto kumain? So we're staying at Hue Hotels. So ito yung pool area niya. Let's eat, guys. So we have beef salpicao and chicken wings. It's coffee. And si Mother kain
Piraso ako.
ng
Nang ganyan, pag nakasampung piraso ka, registered ka na automatic.
malambot yung bako. Maalat lang, maalatan. Saan ka nag-register? Hindi maanghang, hindi maanghang.
Kay doktor. Kasi nauna ako na customer nila kasi gumaya lang sa akin.
Eh, ba't hindi mo pwedeng bigyan siya ng discount?
Ako na nga nag-order sa kanya para ma-discount.
Ikaw nag-order, tapos ikaw naman ang nai-stress sa ganyan. Ah, ito oh. May anelo pala. Aray. Hello guys! So we are back at the hotel now and wala naman na kaming masyadong ginawa kanina. Naligo lang ako saglit sa pool and then after that bumalik na kami. And hindi na rin kami siguro magde-dinner kasi sobrang busog pa kami from our late lunch earlier. And it's currently 6 PM pa lang. Pero ito nakaligo na kami kasi we are so tired. Anyway, baka hindi na ako mag-room tour ha kasi ang kalat na ng room namin. Ito, pakita ko. So, ayan na yung aming room. Makalat na guys, sorry. Pero ito lang naman siya. So, ayan, meron lang kaming counter dyan. So, nandun na din yung sink. And then, ito CR sa side ni mother. So, ayan. But, that's it for our day 1 here in Boracay. And, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Hi guys!
Lalaki din siya.
So, welcome to day 2. It's currently 8 AM and pupunta lang kami ni mother sa breakfast. So, syempre, since buffet breakfast yung kasama, kahit hindi ka morning person, eh, mapapang morning person ka since until 10 AM lang yung breakfast. So, here's mom. Manang!
Hi!
Ready ka na daw pa mag-breakfast?
Siyempre!
O, sige na, tara na. Yun guys, makalat. Yun na yung room namin. Hindi na ako mag-room tour. Kain guys! And here's our view. Nang, oh hi!
Nang?
Hi!
Hi!
Hi! Welcome to Boracay! Nasaan? Welcome to Boracay! Oh my gosh! Hala. Sisira ito.
Hi!
Okay, going back ulit na.
Dito. Palakad-lakad.
Uwi na kami. Ayan no, mga ganyan. Di ba binilang kita dati ng bag dito no?
Hindi ano?
Di meron? Ay, yung sombrero. Nasaan na yun?
Nandun na kayo.
ang mahal pa nung sombrero na yun.
Diyos ko naman, ang sakal-sakal na. Ilang taon na, 3 taon na ngayon.
Sige, uwi na kami guys. Going home na guys. Dinner na, guys. Oh my gosh, copyright pa. Gusto kami kumakain. Hello guys! So we are back at the hotel now and it's currently only 8 p.m. So maaga na naman kaming umuwi because we are so tired already. And I don't know if halata sa camera but my face right now sobrang red. So nasa sunburn na naman ako even if I'm using sunscreen and especially on my body. Ayan no, kung halata. Pulang-pula na naman kahit na nag-sunblock ako kanina. But anyway, that's for our day 2 and I'll see you guys on day 3. O Nang, sabihin mo bye. Bye. Nang.
Bye! Sleep na ako.
Good morning guys. Welcome to day 3 of our Boracay trip. So it's currently 8 a.m. and we are going for the breakfast, of course. And for today's agenda, wala kaming agenda today. So depende kung ano na lang maisipan later. But right now medyo mahahapdi yung parts ng katawan ko due to sunburn. So I don't know if I'm gonna go swim today, but I most likely will. Pero gusto ko din magpa-massage. So, depende kung anong maisip namin ni Mother later. But, let's go for breakfast. Breakfast, guys. Parang siya ka sa picture no? Hello guys, we are at our room right now and it's currently already 11 a.m. And hindi kami makalabas because it's raining. So, ito, tambay lang muna kami dito. And I'm actually a little sleepy. So, baka mag-siesta na lang muna kami. Pero, yeah. That's how our day is going so far. Tama ba? But I'll see you guys later. Merienda. Sa Jollibee?
Mẹ, cho léo léo cho.
Hi guys! So we are back at our hotel now and nakaligo and bihis na rin kami. So that's it for our day 3 here in Boracay, and tomorrow will be our day 4 and our last full day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye!